Great. So now everyone able to see my screen. My voice is okay. Somebody please respond quickly. So we'll start. Okay, great. Let's start now. So my name is Tushar Malchette. I have around 16 years of experience of stock market. So this year I have started this organization, Traded in Financial Institute in Pune. So from 2003 to 2004, I have started my stock market career, and I also have lost money in my start career, 2007, 2009. Two times I have washed out from the market, and I have thought that something is going wrong, right? So can you little bit loud? Okay, my voice is okay, guys. Now, my voice is okay. Radhika saying for you should be little bit louder. Okay, now okay, Radhika, thanks. Yes, perfect. Sure. So in start career, I also lose some money. I have washed out actually. I have washed out from the market two times. Then I thought that something is going wrong, right? So I thought that what is going wrong? So it's all about greediness, right? Whenever I'm making money, I was not withdrawing money. I am taking too much risk, right? I was expecting too much from market, right? If market is giving too much, then everyone will be in market only, right? So then I thought that why not to take little risk and little profits. So I started in 2009 again with small amount, 20,000 rupees, 30,000 rupees, and little bit I'm increasing, right? I was working at that moment. So I was making consistent small profit. Now I'm making good profit because I thought that market is giving money. So we have to respect that money, right? We have to respect money, and we have to every time we have to take little risk, right? Because see, if you don't have knowledge about futures and options, you definitely lose money, right? Definitely one two time you will get good amount of money, three times four times, but after that you will take one trade and you will lose all your money, or you can lose all your profit. At the end of the month you are nowhere, right? From where you start will, if you start with 1 lakh rupees, you made good amount of profit of 50 60,000 rupees. One trade you will lose all your profit. Again you are on same page, right? So that's why I have taken small risks. I didn't quit my job. I have worked around 10 years. Now this year I have finally decided to quit my job, and I'm doing full time now in market, right? First I'm a trader, then I'm a trainer. You should be fully understand this, right? Everyone knows my me, but first I'm a trader. My home expense is not coming from this trading. My home expenses all come from my trading, right? So we are here today to learn advanced future option. I know everyone knows that what is futures options, how to buy, call, put, right? Futures, how to buy futures, right? When to, if you are shorting future, you know how to short future, right? Taking short positions. When you want to, if you want to buy call option, how to buy call option, how to buy put option. I'm expecting everyone knows this, right? Because I have clearly said that you have at least basic knowledge, because we are going little bit advanced now, right? So we'll teach what is market psychology first. Then we'll see Nifty, Bank Nifty, some strategy. I'll tell you how to earn consistent money in Nifty, Bank Nifty, only in index, right? Then we'll see how we can understand today's market trend, right? Today's market trend or market timing, right? Levels, everything, right? I'll teach you something about candle patterns, right? Global market. Global market is the most important thing, right? If you're taking any trade, 50% of weightage of global market, I'll teach you, right? Then we'll see when to buy futures, right? How to check open interest. Open interest is the completely If you know open interest and how to check open interest, then you will definitely make good amount of money. If you know proper open interest, right, on buy side or short side, right, long side or short side, you can easily pick good stock, right, and you'll get good amount of money, right. For BTST purpose, open interest is very nice. I'll tell you how to check it. Okay. Then when to take options, option chain, option Greeks, stock selection, everything will cover it. FI strategy, right? Everything will teach, but we'll start with market psychology first. What is market psychology? Everyone knows that market will give good amount of money. Everyone knows technicals because I know you guys have gone through a lot of YouTube videos, right? MACD, RSI, stock exchange, super trend. There are a lot of indicators, right? And there are a lot of YouTube channels also. They usually show us how what is technical. But do you really think, like, guys, this works if your entry is perfect? If your entry is perfect, example, you have bought a stock. If you have bought a stock around 100 rupees, example, your view is 1 month. Example, your view is 1 month, and after 5 days, your expectation. See, market psychology means you have to understand what is market trend, what is your expectation from the stock. If you bought a stock around 100 rupees and you view is swing trading or 1 month, maximum 1 month of view, right? After 5 days, you will get 105 rupees, right? Example, after 10 days, you will get 110 rupees. Okay. You already got how much percent of return? 10% of return. So your greediness is too much high now. So you are expecting 120 now. Till again market go 112 rupees on 15th of any after 15 days. Still you are holding. What happened? The reversal comes. Stock again goes to 107 rupees. You are on 7% profit. You still holding. You thought that now 1010 I'll quit or I exit, right? Again, what happens? Stock comes to 103 because reversal comes now. People are booking profits. Now stock is you are earning only 103 3% profit. After 1 month, what happens? Stock again comes to 100 rupees. You are on 0% profit. Now, what do you think? You think that shit, man. If I sold here only, I'll get 10%, or here I'll get 12%, right? What went wrong? What went wrong? If you're still holding, stock goes to 90 rupees, you're minus 9%. Example. Now what you will think, right? This happens in market, right? So you have to think that what is my expectation from this stock, right? If your expectation is 5%, if your expectation is 10%, right, within a month, but if you're getting your expectation is 5% and the stock comes to 5%, you have to sell at least 70% of your stock. 70% stock you have to sell, right? Hold 30%, no issue. Hold 30%. Again, stock goes to 1010 rupees, sell 10% or 15%. Hold again. If again stock goes somewhere around, again sell 10%, no issue. Whenever reversal start, whenever you saw that there is a reversal chart, again sell your 5%. At least you're in a profit of some rupees, right? But how now you may say that how we can understand trend and everything. We'll go forward this call and we'll teach everything, no issue. But this is the psychology for intraday, for positional, for everything. If you know that what is my expectation from this stock or any future or any options, right? You have to understand how we can go forward this for any stock. Never trail, never trail. We don't use trailing option. Why? Because whenever we use trail option, our trailing stop loss hit, right? Our trail stop loss hit. If you example you have SBI future around 300 rupees. How much lot size of SBI? 3000, right? Lot size. Lot size is 3K, right? Yes, Neha, right. 3000 is the lot size. Your maximum capacity of losing per day, right? Example, you are an intraday trader and your maximum losing capacity per day is 5,000 rupees. 5K is your maximum losing capacity. So how much stop loss will put? If you are buying 300 rupees, how much your maximum stop loss you can put? See, 5,000 divided by 3,000. 1.66 or 1.5. Let's take 1.5 rupees. So your stop loss is 298.5, right? 298.5 is your stop loss. But if your 1.5 rupees stop loss hit, you all lose 5K, right? All lose 5K. My psychology says don't buy futures. Take 1000 quantity. No issue. Cover order. You can take cover order, right? Take cover order. Put 4 rupees stop loss or 3 rupees stop loss. 3 rupees is 1% almost, right? Put 3 rupees stop loss. If you are putting just half percent stop loss, your stop loss may hit any time, right? If your entry is not perfect, right? Half percent stop loss, you can easily lose 5K. Buy 100, 1000 quantity, put 3 rupees stop loss. How much your maximum loss? Only 3K. But 3 rupee, 1% cannot easily, means your stop loss is very hard to. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Okay, my voice is okay, guys. Can somebody please quickly respond? Sometimes breaking perfect. Yes. Okay. 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 No issue. But I think from my end everything is okay, guys. Okay. So you can maximum your stop loss is 3,000 rupees, right? So what is psychology says? What is your psychology says at that time? Don't take high risk, high quantity, right? Don't take high risk. If you're taking one lot, suppose your stop loss hit, you will lose your all money, right? But I can easily say that you can easily buy 1000 quantity. Don't worry. Put 3 rupees stop loss. It's hard to touch your stop loss, right? If your entry is perfect. As per our technical, you can easily get 2 3 rupees. If you're getting 3 rupees, your profit is 3000 rupees, right? If you're getting 3 rupees here, you think that if I take a future lot, I may get 9,000 rupees, right? I may get 9,000 rupees. But do you really think is it fair to take future lot? Because your risk reward doesn't fair. Your risk reward doesn't match, you can say, right? My voice is losing again. Why this is happening? From everything okay, guys. From my end, everything is okay. Okay. So this my voice is okay, guys. Again somebody Nihal saying, right? Times voice breaking. Everything perfect, right? I didn't face any issue with your voice. Maybe their network. Absolutely, that's what I'm saying, right? From my end, everything is okay, right? My saying he is able to hear everything, right? Maybe your network issue is. From my end, I'm using broadband, no issue. Okay. So now what I'm saying, the risk reward ratio is the most important thing, right? And what happens sometimes people take high risk and they lose too much amount, right? My psychology says if you're taking any trade, if you're taking Nifty lot every day, right? If you're taking Nifty lot every day, take one lot every day, one lot every day, one lot every day, one lot. What we do, if you make money on first day and you earn around 5,000, 3,000, whatever amount, right? What you do, second day you will take two lots. Second day, what you do, you take two lots, and if you stop loss it, you straight you lose 6,000 rupees or 3,000, whatever amount, right? Because you have two lots now, right? So that's what I am saying. From day 1 to day 20, take same quantity. If you are working in index or if you're working in any stock, risk reward should be fair, right? So that's what I'm saying. 5,000, if your daily capacity of losing 3,000 or 5,000, whatever amount is there, take that much of quantity. Okay. So this is basic psychology, right? Now we'll go for with some other example as well. If you are an intraday trader, right? If you are an intraday trader and uh, daily basis you are taking one lot, two lot, three lot, or three trade, four trade, five trade. Sometimes we take more than five trade, six trade, right? What we have to do, we do only max to max three trades. Why I am saying max three trades? If you're doing Nifty futures, how much brokerage? What do you think? How much brokerage will give for one lot? Around 193 rupees, right? 193 rupees for one lot. I'm saying, right? If you are doing 2,200 rupees, okay, okay. If you are using no discount brokers, okay, and if you're using we can say like angel broking and other bank account, bank demat account, then you will get more than 450 rupees per lot. Okay, so better to use discount brokers like Zero, the Upstocks and whatever. There are a lot of, but Zero is the best one. Upstock also good. Okay, so if you're taking three trades, means how much brokerage you are giving to your broker? Almost 200 into 3, almost 600 rupees. So if you're taking 5,000 rupees or 3,000 rupees, 3,000 minus 600 is your almost brokerage, and how much you are getting? Only 2,400, right? If you are taking five, six, seven trade, how much is your brokerage? Seven trade, 1,400 rupees. And if you are making only 3,000 rupees minus 1,400, see how much you are getting. Better to do one or two trade or max to max three trades. That's what our psychologist says, right? So we'll do case by case now. How things happen in the market, right? If your daily losing capacity is 3,000 or 4,000 rupees, right? Max to max 5,000. Okay. First trade, whenever you are taking any first trade, like I already said that take 100 quantity or 1000 quantity. Don't buy any lot like SB example, right? And you made 3K on a first trade. Example, you made a 3K on a first trade. You have to do second trade. Of course, you have to do. But what you have to do on a second trade, you have again decrease your 50% of quantity. Means if you are taking 1000 quantity on first trade, now what you have to do? Only 500 quantity. Again 3 rupees stop loss. If you again make 1.5k, how much your maximum profit today is? 4.5k. Definitely you have to do third trade again. Again what you have to do? Decrease your 50% capacity of quantity, right? Right. Again you will make good amount of money. Then better to close for the day, right? Better to close your day, right? How much was your brokerage? This much was your brokerage, and this is your profit. At least you get something, right? Now case two. Next what happened in case two? In first day, if you lose 3k, right? If you lose 3k, and you how much your daily losing capacity 5k, right? You have to take second trade, but quantity should be again same, right? Again you stop loss it, and you lose 1.5k. Now you have to better out of market because today is not your day. Because you are lacking somewhere or else market is doing something different, right? Market is not supporting you or something is going on. Don't trade on that day. Straightforward, close your terminal and do your job, other work. Okay. This is second case. Now third case was what is third case? If you made 3k, if you made 3k on 100 quantity, of course you are doing second trade. But if your second trade, your stop loss hit 500 quantity, your stop loss hit out of market with small, at least something you are getting. At least you are getting something happy with 1.5k out of market, right? You have to follow this thing. I know maximum of you knows everything, but we are not following this, right? This is market psychology. Everyone know, I know everyone knows it, but no one follows. Sometimes I also not follows. I also not follow. You must have seen in our channel as well. Sometimes I also trade 4 5 trades in a day. But when I trade, when I am getting profits only, right? Whenever I am getting any loss, I'll hold or I'll quit for the day. If I'm getting more than 5k, more than 7k or 10k, I'm stopping for the day. Why? Because I'm happy with what I'm getting. 5,000, 10,000, whatever, right? Because if you're taking any other trade and you're losing money, so uh, end of the day, what you think? I have to stop at that moment only. Otherwise, now what happen if you're making 10,000 rupees and you have done one more trade and you lose 5,000, and now you have only 5,000 profit. End of the day, you see 5,000 profit only. Then what do you think? I have to stop when I was in 10k profit only, right? So that is the case. See, the psychology of a trader should be perfect. Will you give us this note? Of course, you will give. Of course, I'll give you every note. Don't worry. So now, next thing, what required for a consistent profitable? Why? See, consistent profitable trader don't do this kind of mistakes. Which kind of mistakes? They never do random trades. Random trades means after this training, everyone knows training technicals. Everyone knows proper entry, proper level, support, resistance, everything. Still, people, what the people do if market is flat? Example, market open flat. You open your terminal around 9 o'clock. Market start at 9:15. What usually we do? We search for some trade. We search for some trade. I have to enter somewhere, right? I have to take a one trade because see what mentality of a trader I am believe I need some trade in market. Whenever we enter, we think for some trade. What we do, we don't search for a trade. We wait for a trade to come towards us, right? We wait for perfect support or perfect resistance. If there, we'll take a trade on that time only. If there is a perfect support, yesterday we have 12,000 rupees of perfect support. What we have done yesterday, we have taken, let me show you, we have taken small this contribute because 12,000 having big support yesterday. 12,000 having big support. We have taken entry around 12,005. We have exit in 20 rupees profit. Why we have exited in 20 rupees only? Because yesterday global market is completely bearish. So we thought that better to exit with 20 rupees. But what happened after this? After this market crashed. Why market crashed? Let me show you. Yesterday lot of our members make good amount of money. Some of made I think 80k. But I have clearly mentioned in our group that below 11,980 seems fair with stop loss. We clearly mentioned that sell whenever 11,980 break. So some of our traders make good amount of money. He made around 69,000 rupees yesterday. The person have made 69,000 rupees. Lot of people have made good amount of money. So the criteria is we do trade only when we know that proper entry, proper support, proper resistance, right? We know proper option chain, right? After this training, you will get to understand where the resistance, where the support is all about, right? So my where we are random trade. Okay. So what I want to say that we never do random trades, right? And random trades means if you know that resistance is around 11,000, sorry, 12,000 is resistance and 11,900 is support. Now current market price is 11,950 example. Example market is here at start of the day. CMP is this. We have seen good support here. What's happening? Here is support and 12,000 is resistance. Okay. Yesterday I have mentioned I think levels as well. Right? See 11,900, 12,020. Uh, 11,900. I don't remember. Okay. So if market current price is 11,950, okay. So market open at 11,950. What you will do? What you will do? You will wait for Nifty to go near 12,000 or near 11,900, and you have to see option chain. I'll explain you how we can check option chain, how we can see support and resistance, right? On option chain. After that, how we can check global data. On that basis, how we can take trades, right? If market is, if Nifty comes around 11,980 or 11,985, still there are a lot of call writer are there, or call writer. I mean, there are big resistance. Still, there is a big resistance. What you will do at that time? You have to take contradictory sale call. And what will be your stop loss? 12,005 rupees. Above 12,000, maximum 5 rupees stop loss. And if market is here, 11,915 or 20, take a contradictory buy call. What is your stop loss now? 11,895. You have to take this entry, right? Okay. So this happen. We'll explain you. Now you don't understand what I'm saying, but we never do random trades, right? I'll explain you how to seek proper resistance and support, but understand the psychology behind this. Now we have not yet started a single technical. We are just we can say what is psychology required for profitable trader, right? So we never do random trades. We never do over trading. Over trading means we have just learned this is over trading. Not more than three trades. Not more than three trades. Okay. Now the third thing is impulsive trading or revenge. You can say revenge. Impulsive or revenge. Whenever we take a trade, example, I have taken entry around 11,000. Yesterday we have taken entry around 12,000 rupees, 12,005 rupees. And what is our stop loss? 11,980 or 985, whatever, right? So what we have done, we never take emotional trades. What happened? If I take a trade yesterday I have taken a trade around 12,005 rupees. What is my stop loss? 11,980. I have taken entry. If suppose market come around 11,990 and I am in loss of 20 rupees, example, or 1195, example, I am in a loss of 10 rupees, 1195. 10 point I'm in a loss. How much loss I'm currently holding? 750 rupees. People get emotional, right? People get emotional. Either your stop loss hit, don't worry. What happened at the last? What happened? You will get your stop loss. You will get your stop loss. Where is this? What happened? Max to max, you will get your stop loss. Don't worry. We are not a god. Every time we will not make a profit. If my every trade is going hitted my target, then why required of God? Come directly to me, right? We cannot make 100 time accuracy. No one in the market who have 100% of accuracy, right? Sometimes we take loss, of course, right? What happen at last? You may lose 1,500 or 1,700 or 2,000 rupees max to max, right? But we never take impulsive or emotional, right? And whenever we are making profit, we are booking profits, right? If you are in loss, don't take emotional. Don't take emotional. Today might be your timing is you can say wrong, or market have some other perspectives, right? You have taken perfect entry, but market have some other perspective. Right? We are taking perfect trades only, but we never get emotional. Yesterday, what our people does, they have make a profit. Again, they have done short trading, and they had made around 70-80K in just 5-10 minutes. Yesterday, everyone knows that what happened, right? We never get, we never do revenge kind of trading, right? Today, if you are in loss of 5,000 or 3,000 rupees, what usually people do, I have to cover my losses, right? I have to cover my minus 3,000 your loss, today's loss minus 3,000 rupees. I have to recover my loss first, right? So what you will do, you will take 3,000 quantity, right? You will take 3,000 quantity, and what you think that if 1 rupee is upside, then my loss is at least covered, right? Markets, what market will do? Market again hit your stop loss. If your stop loss is, if you're taking 3,000 quantity, again you are putting 1 or 2 rupees of stop loss, again your stop loss hit, you again lose 6,000 rupees. What is your daily loss? What is your current loss? Minus 9. 3,000 loss capacity you can easily, you can say, manageable, right? You can cover it tomorrow, no issue. But if your loss is 9K, is it possible that you can cover it tomorrow? Of course not. People do revenge it. I know that. Sometimes, see, in past, I have also done this kind of mistakes. Revenge kind of trading, market will show you what is revenge, because market is God, right? So don't do this kind of mistake, impulsive or revenge kind of trading. In a flattish trend, usually what we do, we don't trade for the day. We never trade. If you are doing in, or just in Nifty or index trading, bank Nifty, if market trading only in 20 points, 20 point up, 10 point down, again 20 point up, again 10 point down, complete flattish trend. We usually say that we don't trade today because market is completely zigzag, right? Market is completely flattish. We don't trade for the day. But what people do, they do time pass kind of trading, and they make their broker profitable. Do 3 trade, 5 trade, 6 trade. They are not at least making good money. They are not losing also money, right? Only indoor trader give 100. Only indoor trader give 100% accuracy. Okay, flat trend for the first 13 minutes. No, we cannot say that market is flat on first 13. 13. Why 13 minutes? Sanju Bhattacharya. 13 minutes. Why 13 minutes? Not 15 minutes, 10 minutes. 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes. See, we know that today's market is flattish. How we can say that? You will definitely understand after the training today and tomorrow. You will clearly understand. Before market start, we say that today's market will be flattish. Don't trade for the day, because we know that global market, we know that option chain, we know everything, right? And we understand that market will be flattish today. And you understand that. You also, we can say, first 15, 20 minutes or 30 minutes, we understand that today's market will be flattish. But after 10:30, probably after 10, we can say 10:15 or 10:30, still market is flat, then don't trade, because after 10:30 or 10:15 to 12:30, right, market is completely flat. Why? Because first half an hour or maximum 1 hour, market is, everyone will be come in a market and they do trade. Some people buy, some people sell, right? And they wait for their target. They wait for their target till UK opens, right? till UK opens. After UK market open around 12:30 to 1:30. Now 12:30 UK market opens. Right. After 12:30, again market gives some kind of movement. Again after 2:30, market again gives some kind of movement. Right. So every day we see some kind of movement three times. Right. Hope you understand now. Okay. So we never do time pass. Time pass. We have capacity. If I'm a full-time trader, right? You know that I'm a full-time trader, and I have to do some trading because you can say how I can manage my home, right? But if I'm taking trade, there is no perfect target, no perfect stop loss. Time pass trade means you're not hitting your stop loss as you're not getting some money as well, right? We are just doing time pass. 5 point up, 5 point down, 10 point up, 10.9, 10 point down, right? This kind of day we don't trade. Why we don't trade? Because we know that we'll get good amount of money tomorrow, right? In a month, if we have if we have 22 days, or we can say 20 days only. If there is a holiday, we have 20 days in a month. 8 days will be trending day. Trending day means either upside or downside, right? How many days remaining now? 12 days, right? 4 to 5 days, we can say 4 days or 5 days will be downside. Trending, again trending. How many days remaining now? 4 to 5 days. Again, 4 to 5 days will be completely flattish, right? We can say 8 to 7 to 9 days. We can write down. No, 7 to 9 days, 5 to 7 days, right? 4 to 5 days flattish market. So this is every month we'll get this kind of things. And we have 4 expiry in index. I'm just talking about index and 1 monthly expiry for stocks, right? Every Thursday, better not to trade in index if you don't have knowledge. Now you will get to understand what is technical and everything. You have to trade on expiry day because you will get a perfect entry and you will get more than double of money on expiry day only in index option. Right? Index option, if your timing is perfect, timing in the sense if you buy at the perfect support or perfect resistance, you will get double of your money. But again, I'm saying if you're doing any index trading, only invest 10% of your capital, only 10%, because on expiry date, if you don't make money, your all 10% will be gone, right? 5 paisa, right? And monthly expiry, better not to trade on that day on stock, personally stocks, because usually see index week, no one can you can say move index either upside or downside, right? And in stock anything can happen, right? If big players or if I think that we have to manipulate any index stock, FNO stock, they can easily manipulate, right? But they cannot move index, they can move, but not more than 50 or 60 points, right? Not more than 50 to 60 points. Okay. So this is every month scenario. So you have to, if you don't trade for 3 4 days or 4 days in a month, nothing will happen, right? Nothing will happen. I usually post in our channel that you must have seen we don't trade for the day because market is completely flattish. We are just enjoying market movement, right? Sometimes market movement we cannot predict. I think last Thursday only we are seeing big movement. I think Monday or Tuesday, something happened. Market was completely training. Not getting okay. No problem. Somewhere yesterday, last week, I think Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, completely uh, we can say unpredictable market, right? Because market is just waiting for expiry, this expiry. 31st market have given no yesterday, but yesterday some what happened yesterday, right? Yesterday market go upside, but market market how to do see market yesterday upside only because of the 12,000 move and Modi government that some news is there, right? But yesterday global market was completely red. Yesterday global market was completely red. See, I'll teach you step by step. Don't worry about technicals. If you know psychology first, then you can easily understand technicals. Okay, if you know psychology, right? Yesterday, oh my goodness. See, Dow Jones yesterday, 354. Nasdaq, see, all are in red. UK market was in red. Asian was in red. But we were on positive note yesterday. I was thinking that anytime market will crash because see yesterday we have support around 12,000 rupees, but when this support break, some trader some I think someone yesterday have sold big quantity in HDFC Bank. Okay, 15 lakhs quantity. He have made some kind of mistake yesterday. Yesterday HDFC Bank rate was HDFC Bank rate was 2430 and he have sold around 2330. How many quantity? 15 lakhs of shares. He have done a big mistake yesterday. You must have seen, show you. So this kind of thing happen. See, I think 2 years back also same thing happened. Some guy have done a small mistake from his end and he have lose good amount of money. And from his mistake, market suddenly go down to near about 500 points. Yesterday, Nifty, Bank Nifty was down around 800, 900 points. Alright. See, dummy trading going on. zeros are having dummy trading going on. See, from 31,700 to 30,700, almost 1,000 point within 15 minutes. Within 15 minutes. See, big candle, right? From his mistake, everyone lose. Everyone, those who are holding longs, they all have got stop loss. But our member have taken short call in Nifty. When Nifty have broken, Nifty have broken 11,980, and they have make a big profit within 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 70-80K in quick time, very quick time. See the profits. See the profits. 69K. There are a lot of people who have made good amount of money. Yesterday I also made good money. See this, we have bought around 134 and you sold around 169. What you have written? You have sold at 169 and the high was 968. Right? Nobody knows that market will fall, right? Okay. So this thing happen in a market. So you have to learn global market as well. I will teach you how global we can easily pick global market. Okay. So the mistake of that big trader, everyone lost money. Those who don't have knowledge, we already booked the profit and we have taken short call. Okay. So now big thing coming. Now how we can understand global market. Now be careful now. Okay. Because this is the most important thing. Hope some are writing because I'm going to give everything notes this notes Excel sheet and everything PDF files. Okay, but you can write it on your language as well. Okay, now global market. Global market, again I'm saying global market is the most important perspective for any kind of trader, index trader or stock trader in trading. Okay, no positioning. Okay, okay. Our market start around 9 o'clock, right? So now you have to, where is this? So recording will be later. Of course, we will recording on Monday. Why Monday? Because I have to upload. First, I have to download. Then I have to upload. Okay. Then you will get recording. See. So these are the weightage. You can say stock market in the world. In Asia, now first we'll talk about Asian market. Asian market we have Nikkei, right? So you speak into the mic. What happened, ma'am? Speak into the mic. Again, voice problem. Sounding like you're talking quick. Okay, okay. Not breaking. Okay, no problem. Now, okay? Okay. So, first is Asian market, okay? Asian market, we have Nikkei, Hang Seng and China. Nikkei is Japan. Ask her to use. Of course, I think everyone using headphone, right? Please use headphone. Otherwise, you will get big. Yes, yes. Everyone will get some other kind of voice, right? Better to use headphone. Okay. There is Hang Seng market and China market. These are top in Asia, right? We have to see Asian market. Now UK market. DAX is there. It's a Germany market, France market, and London market. Okay. Then US market. You have to see all these markets. Okay. Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500. Only two important. If you don't see S&P 500, no issue. But Nasdaq and Dow Jones is compulsory. You have to watch. Now, okay. Now, our market is start around 9 o'clock. Hope you everyone knows what is Hedged Nifty. Do everyone knows Hedged Nifty? Singapore Exchange. Our Nifty is trading in Singapore market as well. That is called Hedged Nifty. Okay. What Hedged Nifty shows that what will be our opening, right? You must have seen in news channel as well. Hedged Nifty shows 30 point up, 50 point up, 30 point down, right? That means our Nifty is trading in Singapore exchange, right? So it shows that our maybe our market open around 30 point plus 40 point, whatever they show, right? Because Asian market open around 5 to 7, right? 5 to 7 in the sense Asian market start around 5 o'clock, some Asian market start around 7 o'clock, okay, and close around 12 to 2 p.m. right? Some close around 12 o'clock, some close around 2 o'clock, right? Before our market close, Asian market close, right? So we have to see these market continuously after every 15 minutes. Please write down. We have to see Nikkei Hang market or China market every 15 minutes. If you are index trader, if you are a stock trader, because this movement, if Nikkei continuously going upside, if Hang Seng continuously going upside, what is mean by this? Definitely our market will go up, right? If our market open 30 point positive and Hang Seng, when our market open around 9:15, Indian market open around 30 point positive, right? And Hang Seng was trading around 100 plus, Nikkei was trading around 50 plus, example. Okay, China also 50 plus, example. 9:30 Hang Seng 150, these both are 100 means they are going upside. 9:50 10 o'clock Hang Seng was 200, both are 100 plus, right? What is mean by this? Our market definitely go upside, right? If global market is positive and going upside, definitely our market will go upside. Every 15 minutes you have to refresh and see the market till you can say 12:30 or max to max 2 p.m. Okay, but at that time don't only see Asian market, right? At what time UK market opens? It open around 12:30 to 1:30 because of daylight saving. Okay, and close around 9:30 to 10:30. Okay, you have to see DAX, CAC, and FTSE future. Now, how we can understand that our market is 30 point positive because of SGX Nifty, right? Now you have to see DAX, CAC, and FTSE future, right? See this. This is world indices investing website. You can download investing application app. Investing apps is also there. I'll tell you how to download or how many. So these application you have to download. Money control, I think everyone have. You have to download investing app, stockage app. I'll explain how to download and font setup. That's it. Stockage, concept, and investing app. I'll tell you what to do, but you can download it. Okay. And you have to see global market. Now, what is Dow Jones closing yesterday? See, 354 and this. Germany market 175, London 56, and France 41. All are in down. But these markets are closed now. Now, if you want to see the futures, go for index futures. Right. Now you'll see the futures of our countries. How many countries we are looking? Almost 9 countries. See, the future again is showing downside. Again showing downside. See the downside. Nikkei showing downside. China showing downside. Everyone showing downside, right? Now, how we can understand that, right? How we can understand that how we can judge that market will upside or downside. Now, when you are looking at Nikkei, Hang Seng, and China, now you understand every 15 minutes you are refreshing and seeing where they are, right? If they are in 200 point up, 100 point up, 100 point up, okay. You have to see Nasdaq and Dow future as well every 15 minutes, right? Every 15 minutes you have to refresh and see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 2 p.m. Till 2 p.m. what you have to do? Refresh and see. These market are open. These market will be open. You have to see futures and you have to see current market price of these three countries, right? Nikkei, Hang Seng, and China. Okay, these three market you have to see current price, and all these are future price. I'll show you how we can check. Indices, see, this is a major indices means current market. See, these all are red. See, red means all are in close, right? Whenever you see green sign here means the market will open, right? At 12:30 we'll see DAX will be in green, FT is in green, right? CAC will, everyone, all Asian market will, UK market will green because 12:30 market will open. 12:30, right? 12 to 1:30. Before our market open, you will see all green here. Why? Because Asian market will open before our market open, right? And our market open around 9:15. Before our market open, Nikkei opens, Shanghai opens, Hang Seng opens, right? You have to see current price of these countries. If they are going upside, means something will going good in, or the market is positive, definitely our market will go upside only. And here, indices future. See, indices future. What is future now? Indices future means expect. You must have seen in new channel that Dow is 100 point positive, right? Dow showing 100 point negative, 50 point positive, right? What is mean by this? This means UK market opening probabilities, right? If probability is positive only, if probability is positive, if Dow showing 100 point positive, yesterday before our market close, Dow was showing 200 point negative, right? But yesterday closing was, what is the yesterday closing? 354 down, right? So what is probability for tomorrow's market? Tomorrow means Monday's market. Our market definitely will open down, right? Because all closing down. Dow also closing down, downside 354. Nasdaq also closed down. UK market, all UK market closed almost downside, right? So definitely Monday market will be down only, right? So we have to, how hope you everyone knows that how we can check, right? You have to refresh and check futures and current price. Understood? But now after 12:30, what you'll do now, you have to see current price now. Don't see futures on UK because it opens, right? Till 3:30 we have to see current price of UK market, how they are trading. If they are trading around 30, 40, 50 point positive and again going upside only, then what we'll do, we can hold our position because market is positive only, right? If Dow also showing, if Dow is showing 100 point positive, then 120, 130, 160, 200 point positive, definitely our market will be positive. Don't square off your position or don't square off your long position, okay? But now, if you want to do BTST or STVT, now hope everyone understood global market. Anyone having any problem for a global market, how we can check global market, timing, everything understood? Anyone having any problem regarding global market? Or till now, whatever you have taught us, teachers, any query, any issues, any problems, please ask. No, no question. Okay. No query, no questions. Okay. I hope everyone understood. Okay. Now, on global market basis, on global market or option chain or heavyweight stock, I'll explain you how we can easily earn money from index trading, right? If you want to do trading in just only in Nifty or Bank Nifty, and how we can easily understood. Sir, one in short, when to see future and current market price. One time, please, sir, one time, please, in short, when to see future and current market price. In short, now, yesterday, why we have closed our position in just 20 points. Yesterday, where it is? Yesterday, we have closed our position in just 20 rupees, 20 points, right? Why we have closed our position, right? The reason behind it, yesterday global market was completely negative. Asian market was still negative, and I clearly understood that market will not go upside. Better to book 20 rupees we are getting. And when 12,000 break, everyone knows what happened. So where we can get historical data for US future. For US future, what why you require US future historical data? I don't know where to see, but if you want to see a Nifty data, you can easily take it from NSE website. I don't have knowledge about US future historical data. We don't see US futures. Okay, Sanjay. Jogish, no, I mean not in detail, just time when to see future of UK and current market price of UK. Okay, understood. Till 12:30, what I have told you, till 12:30, you have to see futures. Till 12:30. After 12:30, don't need to see futures because market is already open now. Why you are seeing futures? Now see current market price. See futures only of Dow and Nasdaq. After 12:30, you have to see current price, right? Because all in green, you will see current market price. Don't need to see future price. Understood? Oh, I missed a little. That's right. Okay. But after 12:30, understood. Okay. After 12:30, you have to only and only Dow and Nasdaq futures, nothing else. Okay. And after before our market open, Asian market open, so we don't see futures of Asian market. We'll see Asian market in uh, we can say in current we can say in indices, not in futures, because Asian market are open and Asian market will open till 2 p.m. Okay. So don't need to see futures. We see futures only of UK, US till 12:30. But after 12:30, we see only futures of US, not UK, because UK market open around 12:30. Okay. Okay. Now, now everyone understood what to see and the timing. What to see? Can you give us in writing? Can you give us this in writing, please? What to see and timing? See, everything I have already written down, Radhika ma'am. I have already written down everything. US market opening, UK market opening, right? Which uh, index you have to see, DAX, CAC, FTSE, opening timing I have mentioned, closing time I have mentioned, right? US market opening time you have I have mentioned, right? But future or index when to see. No, okay. So you want in writing. Okay, I'll write down, no issue. We can write down live market or indices. We have write this only. Indices future. Asian market. Okay. How many Asian market are there? Nikkei, Hang Seng, and China. Okay. Then UK market. After 12:30. Okay. 12:30 p.m. DAX, CAC, and FTSE London market. Okay. We don't see US market because US market open around 6:30. So our market will be closed. Market is closed at that time. In this future, now this is not live. Okay. UK till 12:30 p.m. Till 12:30 p.m. only, and this is after, right? I thought you understand. Let me take on, no issue. Till 12:30. How many DAX, CAC, and FTSC? Okay. US from morning. From morning. Okay. Dow and Nasdaq. That's it. Now understand? Okay. Hope to understand. I write down the timing again. Okay. Now understand who asked me the question. Okay. So you can see live market Nikkei and UK after 12:30 p.m. Okay. And you have to see futures UK future till 12:30 only. Right. 12:30 to 1:30. Of daylight saving. Okay. Understood your now we'll see heavyweight stocks. Okay. On what basis we can take VTST and STBT only for trading in index? How we can easily earn 20 to 30% return? See, 26% and 26% in Bank Nifty as well. How we can easily earn money in just index trading Nifty and Bank Nifty. I'll explain how to do this, but before this, I'll explain you everything. Okay. Now, the most important thing is heavyweight stock in Nifty. Nifty 50 means 50 company. Everyone knows this, right? Nifty 50 having 50 companies. You are understanding this, right? Uh, Patel bhai, hope you are understanding. Okay. Yes. So, how we can see the top 10 companies? Because see the weightage of Nifty 50 companies, Bank Nifty companies. We can check. Go in Google. Or you can see in money control as well. Money control, you can easily see the market capitalization of the top 10 companies which are in Nifty. Okay. So you have to make a photo. See, I have what I have made. In the last column, I have made the top company list. These are all top 10 companies. First is Reliance, right? See the Reliance market cap. Hmm. Money control website too slow. These are top 10 companies of Nifty. These are top companies of Bank Nifty. Okay. I have made a list because daily basis I'll check only this stock, nothing else. Okay. How we can check it? Okay. Now see, Reliance having 8,42,916 crore market cap. See in crore, right? Who is the second one? TCS. TCS having 8,24,342 crores of market capitalization. Now, if example, if any bank like REC, if REC is down by 20%, if REC is down by 20%, right? If REC is down by 20%, but Reliance is up by 1%, what will happen to Nifty? Tell me, Yoga. If REC is down by 20%, other stocks are, forget about other stocks. If REC and Nifty, only two companies are there, REC down by 20% and Reliance up by just 1%. Nifty will be in positive or negative? Tell me, everyone. REC market cap is 28,527. It will trade flat. Okay. What about others? Everyone. I want everyone to answer. A right answer, Jogesh. Market will be positive or negative. Tell me. If REC down by 20%, don't think of other companies. If Nifty having only two companies and REC down by 20% and Reliance up by 1%, what will the end result? Mahesh, right answer. Tell me, everyone. There are 16, 17 members. I want answer from everyone. Swapnil, right answer. Because see, you have to understand the concept. That's what I'm asking. And I want answer from everyone. Though it's wrong, no, don't worry. If your answer is wrong, no, don't worry. But you have to answer. No change as such. No, but something. Amarkant said flat. REC minus 20%. Radhika, question means what? If REC down by 20% and Reliance up by plus 1%, what will be Nifty? If don't think about other stocks. Amit Khanapuri, right answer. Sanjay, right answer. Radhika, right answer. Now, understood now. Most of people have given right answer, but some have given wrong answer. Now I tell you how. What is market cap of REC? What is the market capitalization? 28,527 in crore, right? And what is, see, 28,527, right? Now what is market cap of Reliance? 8 lakh 8,42,916. Now you understand. If REC down by 20%, still what is the market cap? 28 into 20. How much is 28 into example 20? 28 into 20. Max to max 56,000. But only 1% is up. Means how much is there? 8,42,916 divided by 1%. Sorry, something is going on. 20%, 1%. Right? Still market will up by minus 5.6, 2.82, right? So see the market cap, right? If you know market cap and if you know the top companies, right? Why we are taking only 10 stock? See, why we are taking only heavyweight stock in Nifty? Because heavyweight, if Reliance, HDFC Bank, TCS, HUL, ITC and HDFC Limited is up by 1%, 1%, 1.5%, and other stock down by 1%, 2%, 3%, some stock are down by 4%. What will be Nifty? Nifty don't go downside. If top 10 companies, out of 10 companies, 8 are in positive, see the market cap. See the market cap of top 10 companies. If you want to see, you can check it out. Google, you can easily check it out. Nifty is the weightage. Now see the current sheet. Okay. This is the current sheet of Nifty, right? 31st of May. Okay. Now see the top companies. See, now HDFC gone top position. I am extremely sorry, guys. I thought Reliance on top. Very TCS. TCS on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th place. Oh, L&T comes in. So the market, see, market capitalization is the most important. HDFC Limited, where is HDFC Limited? Third place, right? Why HDFC Limited comes in third place? Because from last 2 weeks, HDFC Limited was completely positive. Right? ICICI fourth, Infosys fourth. So see the weightage now. Now see the weightage. 10.86 plus 9.47 plus 7.49 plus 5.83 plus 5.68 plus 4.97 plus 4.8, 4.23, 4, 3.29. See, out of 100, 60% weightage of only top 10 companies, right? So that's why what we do, we keep these all 10 companies on our radar. We see how many companies trading in positive, how many are in negative on a sequence wise. Now HDFC will go top side, right? Infosys, fourth place, TCS. Now okay, and like this, okay. TCS on downside now. IndusInd Bank out. I think IndusInd Bank out, right? IndusInd Bank out. L&T in. L&T in. Axis Bank, Maruti out. Axis Understood? Every month you will get this data. Every month you will get this data. Okay. So understand the scenario, how we can check top 10 companies, right? So we have to check all the companies. If out of 10, 7 or 8 are in green and 1 or 2 are in negative, don't worry, market doesn't go downside because the weightage of first 10 companies is around 60-65%. Okay. Same in Bank Nifty. Same in Bank Nifty. Same in Bank Nifty. See, HDFC Bank weightage is 33%, ICICI 17. Only you have to look at first four or first five. See the weightage of first five. 33 plus almost 18 plus 13 plus 11.7 plus 10 almost. See the weightage of first five Bank Nifty companies. Don't need to think about anything else. 85% weightage of first five companies. If Bank of Baroda down by 10% and HDFC Bank up by 1%, what will be Bank Nifty? Of course, positive, right? Because of weightage. Because of weightage. Now everyone understood. See what we do on 4th of this sheet. We have making HDFC, ICICI, Kotak, Axis, SBI. Understood? First five is the most important. We don't check about others, but we have to put no issue. See, Indus RBL, yes, bank. RBL comes in. RBL, RBL bank comes in. Okay. Indus RBL is bank. Federal Bank of India. Okay. So understood now, everyone, how to check weightage stock. Weightage stock of Nifty, weightage stock of Bank Nifty. If you're trading in index, you have to watch these stocks. Okay. Global market, weightage stock. Now, again, the same question. Everyone clear about weightage stocks now, and you have to put these stock on your radar on daily basis. You have other three parameters. You can put your stocks here, but on fourth, fifth, or any if you want to put here and here, you can put it. But I never delete these two sheets. These two sheets stocks, right? Never delete. Any questions about top weightage stocks? Weightage stocks. Everyone understood? Slowly. Any issue? Understood? Now, uh, I think we'll take a half an hour break or 45-minute break after this because it will take time. That's why I'm planning to take a break because option chain takes too much time. After option chain, I'll explain you how we can easily make money from Nifty and Bank Nifty easily 25 to 30%. I'm telling you minimum 25 to 30%. Okay. After this, we'll look into futures. Otherwise, we will take a futures first now. We'll take a, we have still some time. We'll take a future now. We'll take options. Options will take in second. After break, we'll take option. Okay. Now we'll take futures. Everyone knows of long, short covering. What is short covering? Profit booking. Right? You must have heard the word long build up, right? Short covering, right? Short profit booking. Okay. So what is I think you have to mm, guys one thing we'll take it after the break. Why I'm saying because after this session, please install this application quickly. If you don't have installed in your mobile, quickly install Concept application. Okay, Cons app. Write down Cons app. This is Concept application. See, you must have seen this logo, Cons app, right? Please install. You can install stockage as well. You can install investing application and money control. Okay, but after break we require this application. Okay, we require this application because futures options, how we can check option grids and everything. This application is most important. Okay, so please install everyone. Please install on your mobile Concept application. Okay, and after break we'll take a future first, then we'll take a open interest, then we'll take a option chain because option chain takes little bit time because option if you know and understand option chain then we can you can easily predict support and resistance. Okay, and after this I'll tell you how we can earn 20 to 30% return easily in index, right? And we will tell you the and tomorrow we will do option grids, stock selection, FI strategy, everything we will do it tomorrow. Today, after break, we'll do futures first, then open interest and option chain, right? Okay, that shown option strategy. Option strategy. Which strategy option? This application concept. This is concept. You have to log in first. Technical setup definitely. Technical setup tomorrow. No today. It's a simple thing. Technical setup, the weightage of technical setup is just 5% or 10%. 50% global market, 30% option chain, 15% top weightage stock, and 15% we can say 15% technical setup max. Okay, concept shows as option strategy optimizer in Play Store. See, this is the logo Q. Radhika Gandhi. See, this is the logo concept, right? After after installation, he might ask you for login, right? You can log in from your Google account or Facebook account. Got it? Yes. Okay.
Option strategy optimizer.
Yes, right. Option strategy optimizer. Yes, right. Okay. So install this on your mobile app. We'll again meet around 1:30. Okay. Take a light break. Take a light lunch and come. Okay. So we'll take a break now. Okay. Let's meet around 1:30. Okay. Bye then.